everyone! In this video I am going to be doing my one and only Valentine nail design, and let me show you the design that I'm going to be doing. This is the polish that I will be using on my other nails. It is a mood polish, and it is the beautiful red when it's cold and a beautiful pink when it is warm. For the accent nail, I'm going to be using Nails of Queen in this off-white color. I will also be using glass gel polishes. Those are transparent gel polishes in red and in a beautiful pink. I will be foiling with Mishu's Pro Gel in black. I will be using the best foil around, and that is from Moira, and I get it from ProTech Nail Solutions out of California. I will be using my most favorite brush that I always use. I will leave the link to this brush in the description box below, along with the other links. Applying a few droplets of my gel polish on a tile. In the dapping dish, I have some isopropyl alcohol. The isopropyl alcohol will help me to thin out my gel polish. Start in the center of the nail, and I start creating the center of a rose. And you basically just do that throughout the nail until you get your rose as large as you want, and you can flash cure in between. And now I come in with my red, and I add different highlights. I'm going to come in with a no wipe top coat and top coat the whole nail. The reason that I do this is because the next step I have to draw with black gel the definition of the rose and then foil it. And if I don't use a no wipe top coat and I do the foiling, it's just gonna stick all over the nail wherever there is a tacky surface. Now that the lines are painted, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. And do you see what I mean? If I did not top coat this with a no wipe top coat, this whole nail would just be covered with foil, because there would be so much tacky layer, it would just attach to everything. If you see any extra foil here that you don't want, a way to get it off is to use a brush dipped in some isopropyl alcohol and just take it off like that.